Is that thing on? All right, let's go. I'm 34 and living in my car. And I'm starting a YouTube channel and I have no idea what I'm doing and I'm really nervous. I've been traveling across the country for the last 4 months and I decided that on my 34th birthday, I am going to take this leap, start a YouTube channel, and travel across the country, living in my car, my 2024 Kia Seltos with my dog Mija. Hey Mija. And we are going to travel all across Turtle Island, meeting people along the way who are living in a regenerative, sustainable way that truly gives back to our communities and our environment. We are nature, and I'm sick and tired of these prescribed life markers, and I'm just gonna opt out. I don't wanna pay rent anymore. It's astronomical no matter where you go, and I am just ready to do things my own way. Join me as I get my car ready to permanently live on the road. I want to take family, friends, and perfect strangers along with me so that we can see all of the beauty that Turtle Island has to offer.
So first things first, we need to get my car ready again. I had taken everything out during the summer break that I gave myself.
Stay hydrated. I don't even know how hot it is. Likely in the high 90s. We're in San Bernardino County, so it's hot. But we're putting the car back together today. And really trying to figure this out. So the tough parts. I've done this once. I could do it again. I've done this once. I could do it again. How? We're trying to figure that out.
So clearly here, my ADHD was ADHDing, buffering quite a bit, and really struggling.
There's a lot of thinking involved here, a lot of contemplating. Where to begin first? That's a great question. Great question.
I was having a hard time figuring out where to start, what to put in first.
But that needs to be rearranged for sure. My gym bag.
This is really where body doubling comes in handy. While I attempted to take care of most of it and put my things back in my car, it didn't really come together until about a week later when my mom came to help.
Breathing, breathing, breathing. I'm so sweaty.
California was going through a heat wave during this time.
And I hate sweating. Yes, baby.
Here, I was trying to take out the back seat of my car to give myself some more headroom.
We did it. We did it. We did that.
With over 103-degree heat, there was no way I was going to be able to finish it all in this one going.
Oh, I'm so sweaty. But we did it!
I put the stuff back into my car and decided to move indoors to add some fleece to my window covers to make them thicker and hopefully warmer as the cold season approaches. I used some spray glue to attach the fleece, and it's holding up okay. This will do for now. I'll be sure to show you a full car tour on my next video. But for now, we're just so eager to get on the road. It's now or never.
All right, here goes nothing. I'm a little scared, but I'm doing it anyway.
So the morning of September 16th, we hit the road. Mija and I on the 10 freeway, a freeway I've driven many times before when I lived in Los Angeles. And this time around, though, it felt brand new. I knew our only destination was north on the PCH. How far we will go along and where we would stop, I didn't have a clue. We stopped at a 7-Eleven to pump some gas and stretch our legs. This is it. We're on the road now. Water is the best metaphor for my life at the moment. Its force can really teach you a thing or two about just becoming weightless and riding the wave, or resisting and drowning. I can't tell which side I'm on sometimes.
Okay, so we left early this morning, and while I still need to arrange the clothes I just finished doing laundry with and put it where they belong, and kind of empty out these 2 bags and that bag and put the electronics in their hidden compartment, etc., etc. We're just hanging out here by the beach on PCH, taking it slow, taking it steady, and just trying to do our best. This is where all of my shoes are.
And while I got my car mostly together with the help of my mom, there was still some strangling things that needed a place and a home in the car.
This sock didn't get washed, unfortunately.
Setting your car up for car life is a work in progress. It's evolving and ever-changing depending on your needs at that moment. So I figure it's going to change some more before it's fully ready to show.
Hi.
But tinkering with it and this view, it's not so bad.
Just folded all my clothes and recorded it on my cell phone with a mic, but the audio didn't get picked up. So it was like 14 minutes of explaining myself. Already messed up some footage. So we're learning, we're new to YouTube. I have no technical skills on this, and we're just gonna do our best. That's all, Mija. We're just trying our very bestest. Trying our very best. There you go.
One of the things I'm often asked as a solo female traveler is, aren't you scared? Well, I have bear spray, I have weapons in different areas of my car or things for self-defense, and I also have my dog.
Hey, you're fine. Yeah.
She may be small, but she definitely lets people know that she sees them.
Mija. Good alarm system, right?
I know. Several my dog.
Yeah.
It's good there, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a good day. Thank you.
I have unemployment paperwork in here. Gotta figure out how that's gonna go down.
So I'm newly unemployed. Between the springtime when I first hit the road, I was working a remote job, and while I relished in my pockets of freedom, I am discovering now that to really be on the road, at least for me, I need to kind of make my own schedule. I can't do a regular 9 to 5, though I'm applying for all types of work right now as I try to manage this excruciating unemployment process. We are budgeting in a way we have not had to do since I first moved to New York over 10 years ago, and we're gonna just make it work. This is my life now and my new normal, and if I've, been able to make a dollar stretch before, I could do it again. As I set on this journey, I'm reminded of all the realizations that brought me here. This past year, dealing with ADHD and burnout has been eye-opening. I've had to learn to navigate a world that doesn't always make sense to me, and I'm still trying to figure it out. I've realized I wanted more out of life. I can't do a 9 to 5. And even though I'm currently unemployed, I see this as a chance to experience life in a new way. The best way to describe it, honestly, it feels like I've had bandages all over my body and I'm starting to slowly, pull them apart and away from me. That's the visceral feeling I'm going through right now. I guess that's me unmasking.
Okay, we just got back from the market. I have to put some stuff in the cooler and need to rearrange my things, but we were able to bring Mija inside with my little dog carrier, so I didn't have to leave her out here. It's 71 degrees, but the cars get a lot hotter, and normally I would do the market first thing in the morning when it's still very, very cold, so I could leave her in the car, but it's 4 o'clock now, so this is what we're doing. Hi, Mija. Okay, I got her some chicken breast as well, so she's gonna have a good feast. We're gonna go to a park now and set up some lunch dinner. Here we go. Probably hearing a lot of wind. It's incredibly windy. Just taking a little pause. Tuna, chips, an easy lunch. I'm gonna recycle this for Mija's food after. Keep some kibble. Does not need to do that every time someone passes by. But I sure as hell didn't see them coming, so I appreciate her being my lookout. Got 4 eyes, 4 ears. You ate. Come here, finish your kibble. She ate all the chicken from it and left the kibble. She likes the good stuff. What can I say?
On this first day back into car life, we're not traveling aimlessly per se. We're going north and have a general mission in our minds.
All right, so after kind of just hanging out at this place for a little bit, we're gonna go find a free little library to kind of unload some of the stuff that we don't want in the car, and then find a place where we can watch the sunset.
I'm on a mission to learn more about a just transition, a shift from an extractive economy to a regenerative one.
That's the sunset on our first night.
This idea comes from the wisdom of climate justice leaders and Indigenous communities who have known that our future depends on sustainable living. On this channel, I want to meet with people who are making this a reality, learn from them, and share those stories with you. This channel is about finding those strong, healthy relationships with the land and with each other. I imagine it's about a future that's bright for everyone, not just a very few. I also need to shout out the creators who inspired me to take this journey on. Those like Roaming Reckless, Simply Enough, Christine M, Winter is Blue, Just Rowan. Your stories of living on the road and building a life around what matters to you gives me the courage to take this step.
I think we can park down the street, but we're not until 10. At which point I think I'll go to Planet Fitness, shower, and call it. day and keep making our way up north. Do you like this, Mija? Do you like this? All right. Okay, so post shower, left Planet Fitness and came to my car camp spot for the night, which is just along PCH. There's a couple other cars parked in this general area. It was recommended on iOverlander as a good spot with some road noise, but nothing that we're not used to. I'm a little nervous. I haven't done this in so long, and this is my first time car camping in California. I've done other states. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't get any knock. I don't think I will. I feel pretty good about this, better than any of the other spots I was at today. So I don't think anyone will be able to park behind me, which is good. And kind of giving myself a way to get out quickly if I need to. So all of my personal safety measures are taken. So, you know, sweet dreams, I guess. Mija, how are you doing? There we go. You're just licking your foot. You're good? Okay. Sweet dreams. Going to sleep now. We love a very normal morning. We had no issues last night, so first things first was Mija has to go, and then I looked for a place where I can wash up myself and make some tea. Perfect. Thank you for the teapot, Mama. Come here. You want to come up with Mama? You need to eat their kibble. She needs to eat the kibble. If she gets the chicken, then she just wants the chicken, and she knows that there's more chicken and she's not eating the kibble, so she can eat more chicken. So, there's my car. Which was, just carry that back in the car. Start driving north again. Thank you so much for watching, for your support, for friends and family who have wished me well on this, and who, you know, bite their tongue despite feeling nervous and scared for me being a traveler, a solo female traveler. You know, anything can happen anywhere, and I'm not gonna let fear dictate my life. I am scared and I'm doing this anyway. That's called bravery. And I hope you all find something that you can do that makes you a little bit afraid, and you do it anyway. I hope we all can be a little bit brave today and every day. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode.